All right, it is Saturday of Labor Day weekend, and we are here at Pike's Off-Road Park. We just got here. It's about 11:30. Got a later start than we wanted because it was raining pretty bad in St. Louis when we were trying to load up. But it is not raining here. It's going to be 80 and sunny today. They're having a stock tire truck Slough 44-inch tire and under this afternoon, and then tonight at 6 they're going to be doing a beta rash. So we just unloaded, and Josh is handing out the new Fly racing shirts. Thank you to STL Power Sports for getting those for everybody. They are awesome.
Hey, I'll just send you a message. Okay, perfect.
Down to look at the course. What course are we about to look at?
We're going to go look at the beater bash course.
Okay, we're going to go see where the beater bash race is going to be held down here.
Man, the weather is fantastic.
It is a perfect day, indeed.
And shifts so much easier now.
Definitely be getting some of that later. Yeah.
Oh, that's the vehicle. There it is, the Missouri Motor Road right here.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. That's the Missouri motor vehicle they're going to be auctioning off for someone to drive. Okay, we are on the course right now.
Oh, good. There's a little bit of mud down in there. It's already whitening. And then I guess we're going to go. Okay, we're going to go up over here. Back in through here. So, yeah, I might have to. Oh, it's not that wide.
This is not that wide. This is a heck of a corner.
Yeah, this is going to be fun.
Hey, send it.
They're there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little tighter than I thought.
Hey, wheel speed.
Okay.
You want to get the lead to keep the lead, I think is going to be for sure in this one.
We're all going to be standing right here in that 1,000 bucket.
Yeah.
Here's Josh.
Any words?
Oh. So yeah, we're just up here at Pike's Off-Road Park for the beater bash race they're going to do and the stock truck race they're going to do, 44-inch tire and smaller. Yeah, they're going to auction that one. What is that Blazer up there off? Missouri Motor Blazer is going to offer it up. So if you want to get in the race, you don't have to bring anything. Unfortunately, you won't see this
Until
after
it's
the
too
event,
late.
so it's not going to help you. But if you already know this, yeah, you don't have to buy a car or have it hauled off. So yeah, here's the course. You're just going to kind of come around through here. And I've got a sneaky suspicion we might be utilizing it for something else coming up really soon. Let's get one of our superstar drivers over here, Laura Hepner, sponsored by the notorious Missouri Motor Gear. So you're in first place in the stage 2, 36-inch tire and above, and you have beat some awesome drivers this year. What are you, 6 or 7 points ahead, 5 or 6 points ahead?
7, I think.
7 ahead. So I mean, you had to beat the best of the best, but Little Birdie told me that Daniel Fulton from Tennessee, which is part of the 904 with Byron, and I'm telling you, when it comes to big tire, those two are the best in the United States. So you're going to be able to gauge exactly how good the machine is, and you are.
I'm excited to see him actually show up because I've heard he was going to show up before and he hasn't yet. So
Challenge.
Hey, she said that, Daniel. I did, we're competing, we're friends.
I think that's a challenge out there.
Well, and he's from Tennessee, so it's a bit of a hike for him, and obviously Byron being in Tampa, but we'd love to see those guys. And if they, for whatever reason, they can't make it, I know Byron's pretty much not going to make it, but if Daniel, at least to get him back next year. You probably don't want him to come, just make life a little bit easier for you. But at this point in time, you've kind of just been going through the group of boys like no problem.
I'm high enough up, even if he comes in and wins, it's still
Yeah.
not going to affect me. So,
but you haven't
I'll be
seen
excited to
you
see
haven't
him
seen the
compete.
paint on the new trophy yet either for the Missouri Motors.
You want that first place.
You want the first in that and the overall. You want them both.
I do.
But I can't wait to see you compete against Daniel. I said at the very beginning, don't sleep on this female team we have because they're the best in the nation. And I don't care if you're male or female. They better bring their A game because I know you guys are.
That's right.
Good luck.
Can't wait. We drove over to the hill climb area. Got some people playing around on the hills.
So they got a lot of clearing to do, but man, it looks a lot better, doesn't it? Yeah, check this. When we go down, let's go down here and check this out a little bit further.
I gotta. We're crooked. That's if someone would just hold the bottom. Yeah. Okay, and then I'll come over without.
Got it. Thanks.
I definitely needed some help there. Thank you very much.
I forgot you got little legs.
It was kind of a long leap.
And that is so much better. They've got that so clear.
They've got it cleared out beautifully, don't they?
They really do.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Made that a lot of roads.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah.
This hill looks great. Lots of people playing today right now on it. There's the man, the legend, Russo. Lauren's here today too.
Looks a lot better. Definitely looks better. It's open. Yeah, always be fast. I'm just good. Yeah, just gotta see where you can go.
Just a little fun on the hill. Nice and easy. People decided to play just a little bit on the course.
Look slow.
You gonna do a?
Out of it.
You gonna stopwatch it?
Yep. Okay. We're live here at the Pike 500. Some of the best drivers in the country have gathered for the beater bash. We're going to do some hot laps right quick, and somebody's going to get a track record. I don't know who it's going to be or how fast it's going to be, but somebody's going to leave here with the Pike's Off-Road 500. What should we call it? Ready?
Pike's Off-Road 500.
Go! I guess that's the starting spot.
Looked good to me.
It's got a pretty good time now. He should be going a little faster through there. Now, making sure you don't hit this tractor is a pretty tricky one, too. I'm going to say 22.
35 for the first time.
Yep, that is the world record holder for the Pikes 500.
We have a lot of people that followed us over here to just watch some hot laps.
I'll take whatever I get.
Well, like I said, now you're the record holder. We'll never take that away from you.
Technically, you do hold.
Yeah, the first ever.
You just said nobody can take it away from me.
I think he can take it away from you.
Go! Got off that corner too fast. You gotta be sliding into that one. Yeah. Now 35, it is a little different deal. He's got the governor.
Can't see him once they drive past here.
26:46.
26:46.
I think she was yelling at him because it seemed faster in the beginning and a lot slower at the end.
So the record still stands.
World record holder. What's your name, Andy?
Joe.
Joe.
Joe, what's your last name? Deacon? Jenkins.
Joe Jenkins.
Hey, we're here with Joe Jenkins, the Pikes 500 world record holder. Some of the best in the country have tried all year long to break this
didn't roll
record.
it.
No, you didn't roll it. So, man, great job, and look forward to seeing if that record holds up this season.
What was that time again? 23.
23:85.
Okay, setting the standard. I think we have another go at it. They're getting the stock truck people together. I think there's 5 people entered into this competition today.
All right, hey, we're here with Robbie Ketchen, and Robbie, you brought this Bad Decisions Jeep. It looks like with some boggers on it, up to 44s for the stock truck 44-inch tire smaller. Now, when you pulled up, that didn't smell like 87 unleaded octane you had in there.
It runs a little turbo.
Okay, yeah.
Just mild. 383.
How long you had it?
About a mile.
So you've done a lot of these events like this?
Not really.
Huh?
Kind of ride it around a little bit.
Moonlight and stuff like that. You go down there, rock crawling. You go to S'more and stuff like that.
No, haven't made it down there.
Okay.
Local stuff more.
Where are you out of?
Hallsville, this little town north of Columbia.
Okay. Yeah, there's a big Columbia crowd here today, actually. But no, you know, when you pulled up, you never know how these are going to turn out. But I think this is the odds-on favorite to win right now. I mean, you never know when it comes to these things. So, yeah, I mean, you've definitely got the horsepower to lift for this. And man, we're looking forward to watching you. So good luck. And
All right, thank you.
all right, hey, here with Katie Ellison. So Katie could possibly be the 2-time champ this year at Pike's Off-Road Park. You won our SummerSlam event on the stock truck.
Yeah, my husband calls me the queen of the pit.
The queen of the pit, I like
I'm
that.
only in bed. That's
Yeah, okay. No, but you actually beat a bunch of boys for that last event. So you've got some pretty stiff competition today.
yeah, I'm a little nervous.
Yeah, just by looking around, but we know you're probably the best driver here. The machine may be lacking a little bit of horsepower compared to this one over here, I think, on nitro fuel. But no, we're looking forward to watching you race. So any jitters? How you feeling right now?
Oh no, I'm good. I've had a couple beers. I'm good.
Okay, perfect. So what are you thinking about the course? Any here from the beginning, some beginning issues here?
No.
The other pit over there?
I think I'm good.
Okay, you're local. You've been through this several times. Maybe not necessarily this way, but
No.
you've kind of been through it before, so you kind
I'm
of know
pretty
what to
pumped.
expect.
I'm glad they're having a stock run for us.
Good. Well, we love watching, so thanks so much for coming. Good
Thanks.
luck.
Good luck.
All right, hey, here with Dustin McCutcheon. Dustin, you're used to hanging out with me because you're usually in the winner's circle of all of our events. You're one of the hooker group. So you decided to get in the 44-inch tire, stock truck, and smaller mud slough, mud hole run at Pike's Off-Road Park this Labor Day weekend. So we were just talking about it coming over here. You have $200 invested in this machine.
Yeah.
Okay, I was joking. I said the radiator costs more than that, but you said $118 for the radiator.
Yeah.
So you're basically wanted about another $122 or so.
The rest of the Jeep. It was bought for the front axle.
Let's
that
get
it
a
started,
picture of the
so-
Jeep.
Okay. Well, tell us about it.
Well, I mean, I don't know much about it. It's bought 3 weeks ago, and we threw the boggers on it. And we're just going to see what falls off of it.
I see we should go out there. The snorkel. We got the fire extinguisher. We got the boggers on it. I see you went for like weight resistance. So
It was
if
like
there-
that.
If there's no frills,
This
okay.
was all like that when I got it.
Hey,
So.
mobile gas tank. You know, if your gas tank's working for you, great. If not, you just take it out.
Yeah, if you need to fill it up, you just throw it in the bed of the truck, take it to town.
Oh, that is nice.
This one is going to be interesting to watch. So I'm never going to count you out because, like I said, you win pretty much everything we do. So, but thanks for coming and good luck.
You're welcome.
All right.
Darren?
Yep.
Hey, Darren, where are you from?
Troy, Missouri.
Okay, so you're a local boy.
Yep.
Okay, so you've been here many times, I'm guessing,
Many
so
times.
you know the holes. Yeah, I don't think the first hole is going to be that big of a deal for the tires you have.
Second one.
The second one could be, if you don't get through there pretty far, I think in the beginning, you could have an issue. But you were saying you've only got about $1,000 invested in yours.
Yep. So
Okay.
it's going to get more money put into it. But,
Okay. Now, have you done one of these events before?
No.
Okay.
It's my first one.
Okay, well, you know, you've got some stiff competition today.
Yeah.
You've got some people that have done this a
Hey,
lot.
we're doing it for fun. So.
Yeah, and you've
you
got
know,
Katie
all fun.
who won the last event
Yep.
here, and the
We
event
watched
before
her.
last,
Yep.
Blake won.
Yep. We
So
watched him too.
yeah, so
Watched
there's
them all.
yeah.
But one day we'll be there.
I know, absolutely.
You know?
It might be today. You never, one thing I know is
You
when
never
think
know.
You know who's going to win these. It never happens out that way.
I get
So
it. I get it.
we're really looking forward to watching you race. And hey, good luck, buddy.
Yep.
We're always pulling for the local boys.
Yep.
All right, see you, buddy.
Yep.
Here we are with Blake. Hey. So Blake won our last event, event before last, in the Little Samurai. So Blake, we're getting ready to start right now. How are you feeling about a first place?
Nervous.
Okay, you should be. That one that just started, it's gonna be tough to beat. Like, good luck, brother.
Ball is going, so
Yeah.
Can't wait for what we know's coming.
yeah. He's gonna win. So.
All right, so the event's about to start. Here's what we've got watching. Not a huge crowd, but a good crowd for a Saturday afternoon of Labor Day weekend.
Okay. All right, Robbie Ketchum had a 204.19.
Laura Mama Bear Hepner's our flagger today. Good start.
It spins in reverse, but not forward. Hey, this one did stop spinning first. I think.
Are you a little muddy?
I think I was. On the back. This one's still spinning. Yes, this is true.
You got a little muddy?
How was it, Dodgy? Was it good?
He said, I'm muddy. We already had the next guy going. That was great. Let's get that time. I think he's in the lead.
That was good.
25.
Repeat that time, please.
1 minute, 35 seconds.
25.
That is your leader.
1 minute 25?
135.
135, 25. Thank you. That was awesome.
Good job.
Woo!
That water's like cold.
All right, next up.
Hold your breath.
Oh no. not.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
Gave it your all. Got it going again. Got it going again. He's coming back around. Had the camera off for about 60 seconds. Final run. Making it look easy. That's your winner right there. Made it look easy. That's 32 seconds.
Wow.
Yeah, she made that look easy.
Great driver.
Say it again.
First place, Katie Ellison with a time of 32.93. Second place, Blake Hick of a time of 1 minute 35 seconds. And third place, Robbie Ketchum at 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Man, we had some great runs today. There might not have been a lot of vehicles in here, but the ones that were here went full send. So I can't wait to see this video.
That was a lot of fun.
It was. I'll be right back. Okay, we are here with the winner, Katie. We said you were probably going to win this when it started, like that first place trophy.
That's an awesome trophy.
Hey, Bill, what's first place paying?
Everybody's we split it. We split.
You split that.
Yeah. Did I get a trophy?
Yeah. Well, at least $1,000 for sure. So, but yeah, for the man, it was just a great event today. You had some competition, but man, you slayed it. So at a time of 32 seconds.
Yeah! Woo!
Second place was 1 minute 35.
It was impressive.
So that was very impressive.
Awesome.
So all I can say at Pike's Off-Road Park, guys, you better have your A game because these ladies up here, whether it's side-by-sides or trucks, they're kicking butt. So are you going to get in the beater bash tonight?
No,
Yeah, they're
no.
auctioning, I think, 1 or 2 cars off.
Tempting.
Press your luck. Okay,
Tempting.
stay tuned for that one.
Yep.
We're gonna do that. Great job.
Thanks.
All right, up next.
Oh, my feet are
We do
nasty.
this a lot, Mr. Blake Higgs. Come on over here. Everyone's always said, how in the hell does that samurai do that? It just shocks everyone.
You don't know.
We hang out a lot, it seems like, at these events. So all I'm going to say is second place, and you had first until the very last
What
run.
did I get?
But it was, what do you think about the course?
I loved it. I definitely had to use reverse,
Yeah.
and I don't know if the motor held up, but
Well, you broke right at the finish line.
she stuck wide open.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Oh no.
No, great job, buddy. We're super proud
Thank
of
you,
you.
sir.
Great job.
All right, and third place at a minute, 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Robbie Ketchum. Come on up here, buddy. Robbie, I think you just had too much horsepower. Yeah, I think you're a little heavy, and I think so much horsepower. You were just spending so much water and mud, I think, on the engine and stuff. I think that was the major issue that you had. But definitely, coolest truck here by far with the most horsepower.
Great
Did you have a good time? Oh, awesome.
yeah.
Great job, man. Great job. We loved watching you. I mean, that Jeep was covered
Yeah.
head to toe, and you were too.
Yeah, it was a fun time. We love it.
So you'll come back and do it again?
Oh yeah, you bet.
All right, perfect. Great job, Robbie.
Congrats. a drag race? Yeah. All right, we got some action about to happen. We're at the hill climb, playing on the hill climb, but I think there's going to be some drag racing going on across from it. So we'll see what happens here. Come on over here and park. They're going to drag race over there.
Is this where they do the obstacle course at?
This is the hill climb race.
Where?
They're going to do a drag race. I think that was Josh.
Scott, that means go.
Scott forgot to start. Well, that was a good start by everybody. Scott. Nice little run. Nice run too. You guys been practicing. Okay, so they're about to have an auction. I believe this is the pretty one they're going to auction off for the beater bash.
Extra $100 if you buy this one and win this race. And I'm sure we'll have to get some t-shirts and hats, and we'll give you some trophy.
That looks really good. Whoever did the M's did a
I
good
think
job.
This one's in the unlimited class, I believe.
Looks great.
What time is the race?
I think they're going to do a little kids race.
Sweet.
Open class.
Extra hundo on the side, buddy, if you win. So
Get a little interview there.
yeah, come
with
on
that.
over here. Let's
Let's
interview
go by the
winner
car.
of this event.
Buy the car.
Are you buying
Buy
any
the
cars?
car.
Okay, come
Okay.
on. We'll interview
We're gonna do the little round. The city. Interview.
All right, who do we have here?
Shannon Schmidt,
Shannon, where are you from?
Frankfurt, Missouri.
Okay, so you're a local boy. You're up by Bryce Sparks area, aren't you?
Live a mile and a half from here.
I'm sorry to hear that. It says a lot about you, what a humanitarian you are. But today you ended up winning the bid on this Chevy Blazer. You end up getting it for a couple $100. You're in the beater bash, and the winner's probably going to pay, I would say, anywhere between $700 to $1,000. And I'm throwing an extra $100. If you can win with the Missouri Motor emblems on it, you're getting extra hundo for me. And we'll get you some hats and shirts for sure too. Are you going to win? All right.
Good luck.
Good luck, buddy.
Can I get your name?
Brantley.
Brantley. And how long have you been driving? You don't know? Are you going to win today? Okay. And what's your name?
I'm not going to. I'm going to win.
You're going to win? How long have you been driving? No, neither of them know, but I think they both think they're going to win. It's going to be a tough competition. Good luck, buddy. Can you fist bump me? Good. Yep, there we go. Good job.
I want to go get my helmet.
Oh, that is kind of important. Reese comes. He's looking back at his competition.
Over here, bud. Over here.
Good job, Dodge. Here comes our second place finisher. Good job, buddy. What do you say? Good job, both of you.
Dodge, what do you say?
Good job, buddy.
Good job.
No, good job to you. That was some good driving.
I beat him this time. Look forward to racing. Say good job. Awesome.
Oh, look at that.
There you go, buddy.
Got paid.
That'll go in that piggy bank, won't it, buddy?
I thought they were going to be metal, but they ain't. Good job.
Yay!
Yeah, put that around your neck.
Well, hey, don't let his dollar bill fly away. All right, Dodge, hold up your dollar bill.
That's $10. What are you going to do with your money?
Put in my piggy bank.
All right, good idea.
What are we saving for?
A mega truck.
Mega truck.
Good job, both of you.
You can buy a mega truck. Yeah, I'm
Babe, how you doing?
Everybody's just hanging out, waiting for the beater bash. You guys have the right idea. Comfortable as can be.
Is this a trick question?
I lie.
A little tight of a pinch there, buddy.
I gotta film it.
Whenever you called it fireball, I'm like, did I hear nickname? He's like, I'm like, you like fireball?